This is obviously Friday night, date night. We're going to do dinner together like we always do. Yay. But first, I have a package. So let's start with that. And then, because I want to try it out on stream just to see how it works and if it actually does what it's supposed to do. So I got this a couple days ago, and I was holding on to it. I've had to hide it from the cats so they don't tear it apart because they see a box and they're like instantly like play toy. So let's open this up real quick and see what's inside. And then we'll get to dinner. And believe me, we're going to get to dinner because, again, like always, I'm starving because I'm always starving. Come on. Okay, so this is that ham tape that has strings in it. So it's not like just, it doesn't want to cooperate, guys. Anyways, okay. So apparently we have to get this part off. Okay, got it. Yay. Hello, honey. Adventures of My Life is here. How are you doing, sweetie? Nice to see you again. So let's see. Card first. Wait a minute. 1, 2. Okay, here it is. Wait a minute. Oh, it says meow from Cat and Kitties. Oh, thank you, Cat, so much. And Kitties. I appreciate it. So what we got is, we talked about this in a stream one day. We were talking about, let's see how well these things work. I think it was the stream where Figaro had a nightmare and he jumped and knocked my stuff down. So here's what we got, guys, from Cat and her kitties. We got this. What this is it's a little stand that goes, I'm going to put this on here real quick. It fits over the top of your laptop so that it protects your keyboard. Now I can still, it's tall enough on there. It's tall enough on there so that I can still reach underneath and type if I need to. But it protects the keyboard so that if a cat decides to jump up and walk across my laptop, they're not walking across my keyboard. So yeah, so I thought this was really cool, and we're going to try it out. We're going to see how it works. So I'm actually going to put this on here because it doesn't get in the way of the video. But if a kitty decides to jump up here,